Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by listening carefully to identify who hears the echo. Listen for echo and note if it occurs for one person or everyone. Ask all participants to mute their microphones for 5 seconds to test the room. Ask participants to unmute one at a time and speak for 3 seconds. Ask anyone using speakers to switch to headphones to confirm if the echo disappears. This process isolates whether the echo comes from a local device, a remote room, or network feedback. Open the Google Meet settings menu and choose audio options immediately. Turn off Use Original Audio unless you need high-fidelity music or instruments. Enable noise cancellation to reduce background feedback and echoes for voices. Select your headset as both microphone and speaker inputs when available. Lower the system microphone volume by 20 to 30% if you still hear feedback. Test the call again and confirm the echo disappears for all participants before proceeding with your meeting. Position external speakers at least 3-5 inches away from any microphone and aim them away. Prefer wired headsets for stable audio or Bluetooth headsets with built-in echo cancellation. If a room has multiple devices, ask all but one device to mute microphone and speaker to prevent feedback. Use a single conference microphone and an external speaker placed away from that microphone in conference rooms. Reboot audio devices and update sound drivers when persistent echo occurs despite settings and hardware changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.